This is the elevator at the Stevenson's building in East Liberty, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It originally had C.J. Anderson, judging by the exterior indicator, but then it got a complete slap-on with Innovation Universal with a 3 modernized and installed by Hadfield elevator. Does not light up. Some keys up there, but I'm not going to touch them. Sorry about the really annoying beep. It's coming from the fire alarm. Here we are at 3. Go back down to 1. The other elevator in this building is not working. Relay controlled. Still on its original controller. Nice elevator. Mirror in the back. Redone cab, I believe. No indicator on the inside. Wooden. I believe this may actually be real wood. Not really sure. Complete slap on case fire do not use elevators. Looks like a call station panel, but it's on the floor panel. Here's the entrance. Look at this. See the entrance. There it goes, and that's it. Case fire, nice elevators.